Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding optional features on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Adding optional features add extra functionality to your device. Follow the steps to learn how to do it. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom. Search for Settings and then open them. In Settings, select System from the left sidebar. In System Settings, select Optional Features near the bottom of the list. To add a new feature, click View Features. It will show you a list of available features to install. You can select multiple features at once and then click Next. Now select Add. They will download and install to your device. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.